move to next chapter. So it's 9.8, talking about the encryption and the decryption. So that's similar like in the Office. So we are setting the Excel worksheet protected or workbook protected. So PDF, normally when you get a PDF file from others, sometimes it asks you to fill in key in the password to open the PDF. So that is what we are learning. So just to be cautious, encryption means you need to write our password or encryption code into the PDF file. So that is our method within the writer object. And the decryption is you just need to read or load the password, and they do this matching to verify whether you have the authority to open this document. So that is our method decrypt within reader. So that is the addition of the method that we will learn from this tool. So let's back to this 9.8. So I first create a folder. 9.8 encryption, decryption dot. Oh, no. So first one is 981 is the encrypt PDF.py. So let's close those others, and I will put the test one copy here. And we can close the 9.7 folder. And let's do. So encryption is very easy. It's just use this encrypt method within PDF, within the writer, PDF writer, and transfer, send our password there. Then they will do this, the encrypting for those. So the principle is very easy. So that means we just need to load our PDF writer. And then let's run. So we are now in 9.8. So let's change our working directory. So, because we need to write our file here. So CRS. So we are in the 9.8. Good. Then we make our instance writer is the PDF writer. This can be starting from the empty, and then the writer. We will use this add blank page. So let's see. So writer on this blank page, whether or not is we can directly load our file into. So let's go to. Oh, so let's first do this. This is like our very early sample. We are not using our existing test file. It just create a new empty file. The secret is your password. So let's see is password. So normally it's yeah, you can see some the often used the password is changed is O to 0. So that and you keep this P. So that is let we use this one, and we writer load this encrypt method with this secret. And then done. So with open this file. So 981. So let's just save that to 9811. So we will do another test. Use WD SF. So this I hope you should be quite familiar with those. So that is the write F. So first, if I don't have this, let's create our file. So what's the depreciated? So that means is this add blank page is depreciated. Use a add blank page. So let's also create this. So we can put that is working with a page. So add the page. So here. So this one is also depreciated. So let's take these notes. Reads height. So this is changed to writer.add_blank page with height. So that is one more knowledge we are getting. So let's see, we are putting this here, small b, small p. Let's run. So we got this file. So let's change our file, py file, to also -1. Then let's open this one. So you can see you can open without problem. So that is the correct one. Now let's start to make our secret. It's generated here. So you can see you need to enter the password. So if I enter is just 1, 2, 3, 4. So say invalid is a PASSW0RD. You can open this. So it's quite easy. You send this secret to this file. So if we don't use this way, so I just directly writer encrypt. Let's see. So I put the secret directly here. Then I save the variable. So you can see here it's the same. So it's still the same. So cancel. So maybe it's just for demo. It's let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So whether this actually effect. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Open. So that you have these two ways. Either you assign this to a variable, or is you just directly do this encrypt. So let's copy this to number 2. Whether we can load our file and add our secret to the existing document. So using that is we need to have our reader. So reader is equal to PDF reader is the test1 PDF. And then here we don't need this, so we will create our PDF writer. And then we write this to this file. So this let's create us to C number 2. So let's create this one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But this is still the empty one. So I need to write this one to this reader. So write to. So let me see. So when I have some check, I think it's this simple way is not so easy, because we read this test1 is already in the memory, but it's stored in the reader. The variable or object is not linked to the writer. So what we need to think about is if you want to set password to our existing document, you need to use the for loop. traverse the existing document and write that into our new object using the writer, like we create our empty file to the using this writer. During this writing, then we can finally add a password. So let's try to customize this one. So we have read this. So this is a reader. So that is no problem. And we have that put in this name. And what is the name is we need to let's see. So we have our writer. So those are the PDF writer. Let's see. We have initial that is also fine. Let's see. So for the page in reader.pages. So let's see. So for every page, we need to write that into the new writer. So page is equal. Let's see. Page is equal to reader dot let's see. I need to get that page. So get page is to the pages index. So pages. So page. So that is my page, and I need to write that to this writer dot add page. I need to add a page. So let's because we need to keep checking the current the available part. So now page by page I write my 5-page test1 into the writer object. Then in the last I put this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's run. So what is this reader pages? Oh, I think it's that reader pages. It should be this, not the parentheses. Oh, it's not callable. So add page. Add page is just the page. Reader.pages is get page number. Let's see what's the error. Line 7. Let's use this one. So len is pages. Okay, so let's try to open 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, so our file is here. So this is our customized way that we are trying to do this encryption. So I hope it's this one you can have our idea. So let's once you have the encryption, so this one is encrypted by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's now do the decrypt. So 982 decrypt PDF. So that we need to get only the read. So from py PDF to import PDF reader. So this one, and we will load. So first is reader is equal to PDF reader our file. So our file is 981_2.pdf. So let's run to ensure I load file correctly. Then I will put this secret. So the secret is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then the if reader dot is encrypted. So this is a check the boolean. So you can check is whether they have the password protected. If not, we don't need to do the decryption. So that is one thing is just try to prevent you do the unnecessary decrypt. So using the secret. So you can also directly put string here. So then let's print reader dot get page is let's double check again. Get page is changed to the pages number. So let's use pages 0. Let's run. So was the error is encrypted is depreciated and was recovered. So use is underscore encrypted. So let's put this here. Is reader dot is encrypted is depreciated to reader dot is underscore encrypted is, and also they are a small case. So it's here as run. So you can see here, this is my content. So on this script 1, I load this, and what was this 9.1? So I load this content with those and the crops or media box resource. So all those are the content. So if I load 2, so load this third page, you got another part. You can see here is the indirect object is different. So that means you have make the decrypt. So if I just put a wrong password, so here what I got is a file has not been decrypted. So you got this error. So actually, so you can use earlier learned tactic to make this throw this error, and we capture this, and you can provide some customized message instead of this system error. But that is earlier knowledge. We don't do this demo for now. So that is the decryption. So I hope is you can also expand my the second sample here to do this decryption to one existing document. So you need to combine reader, writer, and using the for loop to traverse every page, write that into the writer object first. And after that is you write our encrypt key. So then your new the PDF object in memory will have our password protected. Then you write this new memory in memory document into our new documents. Then that you do the encryption. If you write this to the original file, it is also the override. So thank you for your watching. So next we will come to the last subchapter for talking about some the extension converting for the PDF document. See you then.